Hey guys, Justin here at SSC Garage. We're out here actually working on our enduro car today, trying to assess the damage and see if we can have it ready for November 1st. We're going to get right into it. There's a lot of damage on this thing from running on 3 wheels, so here goes. This is actually the whole rear wheel, driver's side. That tells you how bad we messed this thing up. We broke the linkage here, we bent this one, broke the sway bar, broke everything in here. Everything is broken here, guys. Only thing that held the wheel on was the shock tower and the back control arm. So what I've seen is, and then not only that, we actually have a hole in the front of our tank right here, front of the fuel tank. So what we're looking at here, guys, is we're actually able to take this whole subframe out with about 15 bolts, and we can take everything out and roll the rear tires right out from underneath of this thing and be able to access the tank and get it out, either get it repaired or purchase a new one, which we're probably just going to pick up a new one. But that's really not all the damage. That's really the damage, but we also ran hot, very, very hot, and that's what ended our night. It ran too hot on us, and we actually figured out why today. The water pump is leaking. So I ordered a new timing kit, water pump. Hopefully we didn't blow the head on it. We're really hoping we didn't blow the heads on it. It still starts to run. There's no water in the oil, nothing like that. We didn't even bust the radiator. What happened to the radiator is the cap actually broke. The end of the cap broke off. So that is part of the reason why we ran hot. It might be the reason why we ran hot and it tore up the water pump. We don't know. Or the water pump could have been bad and it tore up everything else. But like I said, we are going to try to get this thing done and back on the road for November 1st Enduro at Brush Creek Motorsports. So please like and subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll bring you guys a video of getting this thing fixed and ready for the 1st. We got a lot of work to do. Today's Thursday, so we got about 9 days roughly to get this thing fixed, 8 days to get this thing fixed. It's going to be a lot of work, a lot of process, but we're going to see if we can't get it done. All right, guys, it's been about 4.5, 5 hours now. I got everything taken apart on the car, so kind of show you what all I had to do here. We actually took the entire subframe, fuel tank, everything out at the same time. It's pretty nifty. These cars come, they fall out all in one piece. It's pretty nice. So everything is broke on that side here. A couple of the brackets are bent on the subframe, so we got to buy a new subframe, everything to put up underneath the car. And the reason why it's really taken me so long is we had to get that off, and as you know, the water pump went bad on us. That's the reason why it overheated. So I've actually got it all tore down. We're gonna go in the morning and get new parts for it and get a new water pump, timing belt, all the goodies back on it, and we should be fine for the race on November. We're just hoping that we can actually make it in time. We got a lot of work to do to get it done here. So please stay tuned, like and subscribe, smash that notification bell so you guys can get all the new videos that we post, and have a nice day, guys.